Hello students, today in this video I am going to cover second method of how to find zeros of quadratic equations. If you want to see the first method, for that you can go my previous video. And here in this method, first of all you should know what is A, B and C. And for that, by using ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we can find our a, b and c. Like along with x square the value that is a, along with x it's b, and the third values are c. As you can see, along with x square we don't have any value, so it means we can consider that here is 1. So our a is 1, b is minus 3 along with x, and c is minus 10. So to find zeros by this method, first of all we need to find d, because we are going to fill value of d in this a value, and here d is b square minus 4ac. And now we just fill the values according to formula from here. B is minus 3, it's minus 3 square, 4, a is 1 and c is minus 10. And now our d is 3 will multiply 3 with 2 times and with minus sign, so it will convert into plus, and here minus minus plus, 4 times are 40. So our d would be 40 plus 9, it's 49. And now we are going to use our formula to find zeros from this method, and that is x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. It will divide with 2a. Now we are going to use this formula into different states. Like first we'll put with plus sign minus b plus root d upon 2a, and in second we are going to fill minus b minus root d upon 2a. And here now we are going to fill values according to this formula from here a, b and c. Our b is minus 3 plus root d, we get this, so it's 49. And here 2 into a is 1. Now minus 3, its value of b, minus root d, that is 49, and here 2 into 1. Now x is minus minus will convert into plus, so no need to put any sign. Here is 3 plus root 49 is 7, 2 1s are 2, minus minus plus here again, so we no need to put sign of plus, so it is only 3, and here is minus root 49 is 7, 2 1s are 2. It will plus together 7 and 3 will get 10, 10 upon 2, and we'll subtract minus 7 into 3 will get minus 4, and our x would be, we'll divide 10 with 2 will get 5, and we'll divide minus 4 with 2 will get minus 2. So these are our x, 5 and minus 2. Thanks for watching this video.